Hello everyone, I am back after restarting the machine. This time, if you go to the JIT location, you can see the overlay icons like this. See this? So if we develop anything, if we modify anything here, maybe we will what we will do is we will delete the previous section which we already updated there. So once if you see that, if you save it, you can see that the icon color is actually changed like into red. Okay, so likewise from here we will be able to easily commit it. So for that thing, you can actually commit to main. Okay, remove sentence, sentence, whatever. Okay, remove sentence. Then you need to commit and then you need to push it to this location. Okay. So if you want, you can see that maybe go to Kasim GitHub. Okay, maybe you can check that location. Okay, this is the your Kasim GitHub location. Now, if you see that, you can see this sentence. Please check the sample, which we are right now removed it. Then you are actually pushing it to that location. So let's see. I'm just pushing it. Uh, sign to your browser. So first time when you actually log into the first time, then so it's actually closed. Okay. So if you see that if you see that actually, so it's actually updated. Okay. So this is how we can update it using TortoiseGIT, the same thing which we actually did with the GitHub desktop as well. Okay. So these two tools are actually very important. So depending upon your scenario, depending upon your preference, you can use either GitHub desktop or you can use Tortoise or you can use both. Okay. So it's up to you to decide. But I have actually shown you all these things to make sure that you are actually familiar with any all these sort of tools. At least somehow some sort of basic understanding of these tools. Okay. If you want to get more details regarding each how to use these things, there are a lot of video tutorials in YouTube which will show you how to use all these sort of tools. Okay. So you can watch it in detail in YouTube. There are other people who have already done this thing, so I'm not going to do it again and again. This I have actually done just for the sake of continuity. Thank you.